I would recommend Leapsome without hesitation. The platform has been very cost-effective for us. It's done everything that we need to do with respect to reviews, with respect to one-on-ones, surveys. We've got a great team that helps to support us, and that means a lot for us as a software company. My name is Steve Hoffman. I am the Chief People Officer of Mark43. Mark43 is a public safety company. We develop software for police departments, fire departments, EMS. Prior to Leapsome, we had a software package that wasn't really integrated in how it operated, and it wasn't cutting edge. When we added Leapsome to the mix, it really helped us to level up. What caught my eye with Leapsome was that you had put a lot of thoughtfulness into designing a program that was going to help a company our size to level up. There were a lot of different functionalities that were combined. When I saw a company that was very technically focused on good technology, but also finding a way to fit it within what a company needs to grow their team and to manage their team. That was really impressive to me. The survey module in Leapsome has really been fantastic for us because you're able to get information pretty quickly. You're able to send out reminders. You're able to open it and close it as needed. I think that's very helpful. We delineate by departments, and so I can really focus in on a specific department that may have some problems that we need to address. We can take the information out of it really quickly, summarize it for our managers, and share it with them so that they can actually action on it as well. You have the heat map that shows up, and I think that's actually just an amazing glance at what's happening across the organization, so we can really center in on some of the departments that may be having problems. The feature that I like is the ability to respond back to people anonymously, so they know that it's anonymous. We can respond back to some of the comments that they may have made with respect to their surveys. The UX is fantastic. You have included a Slack integration as well, so people can get notified of what's happening with respect to their reviews. The same thing with one-on-ones, you know when to get ready for it. I would recommend Leapsome without hesitation.